साइंस ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 6 और उसमें हम 4th चैप्टर नया चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले हैं, शॉर्टिंग मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप्स। शॉर्टिंग मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा चीज़ों में से कुछ चीज़ों को अलग करना। Objects around us. We have seen that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. We see around us a chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. All these objects have different shapes, colors, and uses. Look around and identify objects that are round in shape. Our list may include a rubber ball, a football, and a glass marble. If we include objects that are nearly round, our list could also include objects like apples, oranges, and or thin pitcher. Pitcher मतलब कि गरहा. Suppose we were looking for objects that are edible. We might include all the items that we have listed in table 1.1 and 1.2. We might also find that some of these round shape objects we just listed out are also in this group. Let us say we wish to make a group of objects that are made of plastics, buckets, lunchbox, toys, water containers, pipes, and many such objects may find a place in this group. There are so many ways to group objects. In the above example, we have group objects on the basis of their shape or the materials they are made from. All objects around us are made of one or more materials. These materials may be glass, metal, plastics, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil. See here activity 1. Let us collect as many objects as possible from around us. Each of us could get some everyday objects from home, and we could also collect some objects from the classroom or from outside the school. क्या करना है आपको? जो भी चीज़ें आपको आपके आजू बाजू में दिखती है, जैसे कि प्लास्टिक, पेपर, वुड से बनी हुई चीज़ें, ये सब आपको कलेक्ट करनी है. ओके, व्हाट विल वी हैव इन आवर कलेक्शन? चॉक, पेंसिल, नोटबुक, रबर, डस्टर, हैमर्स, नेल्स, शॉप, स्पॉक ऑफ व्हील, बार, मैच बॉक्स, salt, potato. We can also list objects that we think of but cannot bring to the classroom. For example, wall, trees, doors, tractor, road. Separate all objects from this collection that are made from paper or wood. अभी कौन सी चीज़ें सेपरेट करनी है? जो वुड और पेपर से बनी हुई है. This way we have divided all objects into two groups. One group has the objects that are made from paper or wood, while the other group has the objects that are not made of these materials. Similarly, we could separate the things that are used for preparing food. अभी let us be a little more systematic. All objects are collected. अभी सारे objects collect हो गए हैं. अभी क्या करना है उनको? Try to identify the materials that each one is made up of it. It would be fun to make this a large table, collecting information about as many objects as possible. It may seem difficult to find out the materials out of which some of these objects are made. In such cases, discuss with your friends, teacher and parents to identify the materials. आपको क्या करना है? ये जो चीज़ें हैं आपने कलेक्ट की है उसको आपको शॉर्ट आउट करना है. Okay? See here the table is given objects and the materials they are made of. ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्या क्या है? प्लेट. और मटेरियल्स क्या है? स्टील, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक, पेन, प्लास्टिक और मेटल. सी हियर एक्टिविटी 2. लिस्ट सम कॉमन मटेरियल्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो एड मोर मटेरियल्स इन कॉलम 1 दैट आर नोन टू यू. नाउ ट्राई एंड थिंक ऑफ एवरीडे ऑब्जेक्ट्स यू नो दैट आर मेड मेनली ऑफ दिस मटेरियल. कॉलम 2 में देखो. मटेरियल वुड, chair, table, plow, bullock cart and its wheels. Paper, books, notebooks, newspapers, toys, calendars. लेदर से क्या बनता है वो आपको इधर लिखना है. प्लास्टिक से क्या बनता है वो आपको ये जो बॉक्स दिया हुआ है उसमें लिखना है. कॉटन से क्या बनता है वो आपको इस बॉक्स में लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट डू वी फाइंड फ्रॉम दीज टेबल्स? फर्स्ट वी grouped objects in many different ways. We then found that objects around us are made of different materials. At times an object is made of a single material. An object could also be made of many materials, and then again one material could be used for making many different objects. एक मटेरियल जो होता है वो क्यों बहुत सारे एक मटेरियल में से ऑब्जेक्ट बनते हैं. एग्जाम्पल में ले लो कि प्लास्टिक में से क्या क्या बनता है, टॉयज़, फिर प्लास्टिक के वेसल, ओके, ये सब प्लास्टिक में से बनता है. What decides which material should be used? Thank you and have a nice day.